Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images to your TikTok video. So first of all, we just have to open up the TikTok application and then tap on this plus icon at the bottom. And then in the bottom, we've got a time. I'm just going to slide to 60 seconds and make a video recording and make a short video. So I just recorded my laptop video. I'm going to click on this tick at the bottom right corner. Then I'm going to tap on this next, and now you can see these options. You just have to tap on this edit in the upper right corner, and then you can see I have the video I just created. Now what I can see on the right is little plus icon. If I tap on it, click on this allow, and now I have the ability to add in a photograph like this one. Press next, and now you can see guys, I got the photograph having got the video. I can move the photograph within the video to different position. I could add a sound if I wanted. As soon as that done, I just click on this save button in the upper right corner and then click on next, and then that's going to be post on my story or TikTok video. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.